Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go Instagram Live. All right, let's begin. To go live on Instagram, first open your Instagram profile. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools, then click Switch to Professional Account. Follow the steps to set up either a business or creator account. Choose a category from the list and click Switch. Select Creator or Business. Here we'll choose Creator and tap Next. Close the setup by tapping the cross icon in the top corner. Once back on your profile, you'll see the Professional dashboard, confirming your account is now professional. To go live, tap the plus icon in the top left and select Live. If you don't see the Live option, it may be because your account has less than 1,000 followers. Tap the Live button at the bottom and Instagram will start a countdown before you go live. So that's basically how you can go Instagram Live. That's it for this video. Thanks.